Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of Improve Reading and Spelling Skills. And today we focus on sentence building. The first activity that we are doing is called What is the Missing Word? On a white sheet of paper, I wrote out some simple sentences with spaces for missing tricky words. I put out the tricky words on a post-it. My son had to read the sentences and work out which word was missing. This reading activity I set up for my son to practice his tricky words. For my son, this is a journey of learning to identify more high-frequency words, understanding the meaning of the words, and using them to build a sentence using different activities like this. First, 100 sight words represent over 50% of English text. A child who has mastered the list of sight words can already recognize at least half of a sentence. Learning to build sentences is an important skill for young kids, and it begins after kids learn to link single words together. It takes place along their vocabulary development. These two skills are closely interlinked. The next activity is mazing sentences. In this activity, ask your child to look at the picture given and what is happening in the picture. Then we discuss it. Check the first word and ask your kid to look at the words next to it. Which word might come next? Once they are confident which one it is, they can spot the next word which would be in the sentence. Keep doing this until they finish all the words belonging to the sentences. This activity is such a lovely game to help with reading words and making sentences. It's great when our kids start to read the words, but putting them together can be a little tricky. A fun sentence building activity which is a huge hit with my son. It takes less than 5 minutes to create. I cut out these pictures from old books. You could even draw them. Forming proper sentences is not easy, but the key is to make practice and learning fun. These activities focus on step-by-step child-led learning and giving him the tools to aid his learning. Now we look at the sentence scramble activity. This is another simple way to achieve sentence building skills. In this activity, I wrote a simple writing frame, that is the dash 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 into the dash. Each space was color coded a different color to match a word class. My son had to choose a different post-it for each gap to form a sentence. It has everything needed to form a sentence: an adjective, noun, adverb, verb, prepositional phrase. I enjoy the sentence building activity because it allows my son to be as creative as he chooses to be to build his own sentences. This also teaches the importance of understanding the roles each part of speech has in creating a complete sentence. Sentence structure is important because it provides us the framework for the clear written expression of our ideas. A complete sentence always contains a verb, expresses a complete idea, and makes sense standing alone. This is such an easy and informal way to learn a language. All you need is some words to identify, learn, and just put on a thinking caps and make sentences. This enables the kids in sentence development, language development, exploring ideas, trying to express thoughts and ideas using certain words, working on their grammar, and lastly, having so much fun building sentences. He loved mixing up the words to make his own silly sentences. After making lots of sentences, he decided to write his own. This was great for practicing reading and writing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.